What provocations from Russia prompted NATO calls from the Czech president? The answer reveals how rising tensions in Europe are shaping urgent military alliances and global security. One major provocation was Russia's troop buildup near Ukraine's borders, creating a highly volatile environment. These exercises were not isolated. They involved thousands of soldiers and advanced weaponry, signaling potential aggression. This directly threatened Czech security, given the country's proximity and NATO membership. The Czech president viewed these moves as a direct challenge to European stability and NATO's collective defense commitments. Beyond physical forces, Russia intensified cyber operations against the Czech Republic. These included attacks on government websites and infrastructure, aiming to disrupt and gather intelligence. Such covert provocations heightened fears of destabilization from within. The Czech president cited these cyber threats as justification for seeking stronger NATO support, highlighting the hybrid nature of modern conflict. Another key provocation was Russia's use of disinformation and propaganda targeting Czech society. State-backed media spread false narratives to create division over NATO and Western policies. This political pressure sought to erode public support for collective defense, complicating the Czech government's response. The president stressed that these tactics were a form of hybrid warfare requiring NATO's vigilance and solidarity. In response, the Czech president called for urgent NATO action to deter further Russian provocations. This included boosting military readiness on the alliance's eastern flank, sharing intelligence more freely, and reinforcing the political message that any aggression would meet a united response. His appeals underscored the importance of alliance cohesion to prevent escalation and preserve peace in Europe. Russia's provocations have pushed the Czech president to demand stronger NATO unity and defense. These moves highlight the complex threats modern nations face, from military force to cyber and political warfare. Stay informed about global security and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.